The 5 best areas to live for families in Red Deer, Alberta. Are you considering moving to Red Deer, Alberta, and wondering which neighborhoods are ideal for raising a family? Look no further. Red Deer offers a range of family-friendly neighborhoods with excellent amenities, schools, and green spaces. In this guide, we'll explore the top 5 areas that cater to young families, ensuring a vibrant, safe, and convenient environment for your loved ones. 1. Timberstone and Clearview Ridge, Northeast Corner Excellence. Location and overview. Timberstone and Clearview Ridge are located in the northeast corner of Red Deer, offering easy access to a variety of amenities. These two neighborhoods are similar in many ways, making them perfect for families looking for convenience, walkability, and proximity to schools. Amenities. Both Timberstone and Clearview Ridge boast an impressive range of amenities. You'll find grocery stores, restaurants, gyms, daycare centers, and even pet stores in Timberstone Market. Clearview Market, just across 30th Avenue, complements this with additional options, including major banks, car washes, and more. If you're seeking a walkable neighborhood where you can easily run errands or dine out, these areas have you covered. Schools for education. Timberstone offers Barry Wilson Public Elementary School, while Clearview Ridge is home to a Catholic elementary school. A new Catholic high school is also located just north of Timberlands, ensuring that your children have access to quality education close to home. Cons. However, Timberstone and Clearview Ridge have one drawback: poor cell phone reception. While this might be a minor inconvenience for some, it's something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on mobile communication. 2. Vanier East and Laredo, quiet and green in the southeast. Location and overview. Situated in the southeast corner of the city, Vanier East and Laredo are quiet, family-oriented neighborhoods. Both areas are newer, with homes built from 2010 onwards, and they offer a peaceful atmosphere ideal for young families. Parks and green spaces. In the heart of these neighborhoods lies a massive green space, complete with playgrounds, tennis courts, and basketball courts. There are also numerous paved walking trails, making it easy to enjoy the outdoors with your family. The abundance of green spaces and recreational facilities ensures that these neighborhoods are bustling with activity, particularly in the warmer months. Schools and amenities. Although there are no immediate schools within Vanier East or Laredo, nearby Lancaster offers several options. For shopping, the East Hill Shopping Center provides grocery stores, restaurants, and other essentials, while functional fitness centers like F45 offer great opportunities to stay active. Cons. One potential downside is the lack of middle schools within the immediate area. If your children attend public middle school, they may have to commute to West Park, which is on the other side of town. However, the drive is typically around 10 to 15 minutes, making it manageable for most families. 3. Westlake, nature and recreation in the southwest. Location and overview. Westlake, located in the southwest corner of Red Deer, offers a unique blend of nature and convenience. Known for its all single-family detached homes, this neighborhood provides a quieter atmosphere without the intrusion of large apartment buildings. Heritage Ranch and outdoor fun. One of Westlake's biggest draws is its proximity to Heritage Ranch, one of the best parks in the city. Heritage Ranch features walking trails, playgrounds, and a pond for fishing. There's even a restaurant, Westlake Grill, offering a picturesque riverside dining experience. This park provides endless opportunities for outdoor family activities. Schools and amenities. Westlake is also close to several educational institutions. West Park Middle School is located just next door, making it a convenient option for families with school-aged children. Additionally, the G.W. Harris Canada Games Centre, an impressive recreational facility with gyms, skating rinks, and running tracks, is within walking distance. Cons. However, there are a couple of downsides to Westlake. The neighborhood is close to Highway 2, the busiest highway in Alberta, meaning some homes may experience noise from the traffic. Additionally, like Timberstone, cell phone reception in the area can be unreliable. 4. Lancaster, the family hub of the city. Location and overview. Lancaster is often considered the best neighborhood for families in Red Deer, thanks to its abundance of schools and convenient location. Situated in the southeast, Lancaster is a slightly older neighborhood, built primarily in the 1990s and early 2000s, but it continues to be a top choice for young families. Schools. Lancaster shines in terms of educational options. It boasts two high schools, Hunting Hills Public and Notre Dame Catholic, as well as M.D. McCulloch Public Elementary and St. Francis Catholic Middle School. This concentration of schools within the neighborhood makes Lancaster incredibly convenient for families with children of all ages. Recreation and shopping. The Collicutt Center, a large recreation facility, is located right in the heart of Lancaster. It offers gyms, running tracks, skating rinks, and more. The nearby South Hill Shopping Center provides access to grocery stores, restaurants, and medical clinics. Lancaster's blend of excellent schooling, recreational options, and shopping makes it a prime spot for families. Cons. While Lancaster has few downsides, some homes still feature older design elements like oak trim and cabinetry, which may not appeal to everyone's taste. However, these are cosmetic issues that can easily be updated. 5. Southbrook, central and community-oriented. Location and overview. Southbrook, located in the very center of Red Deer's South End, is a small, tight-knit neighborhood with a youthful demographic. Its central location makes it highly desirable for families seeking easy access to schools, shopping, and outdoor activities. Amenities and green spaces. One of the highlights of Southbrook is its proximity to Bower Mall, which can be reached within a 5-minute walk via scenic trails. The neighborhood also benefits from nearby South Point Common, a new shopping plaza with various dining and shopping options. Additionally, the Oxbow Dog Off-Leash Park, located just south of Southbrook, is a great place to spend time with pets and family alike. Schools. Southbrook's central location puts it within close proximity to a wide variety of schools, including the schools in Lancaster and the West Park Middle School. This makes it an ideal spot for families with children at different educational stages. Cons. While Southbrook has many advantages, one minor drawback is the presence of large power lines on its northern border, which some residents may find unappealing. Red Deer, Alberta, offers numerous neighborhoods that cater to the needs of young families. Whether you're looking for a quiet, nature-filled area like Westlake, a centrally located community like Southbrook, or a school-rich environment like Lancaster, there's a neighborhood for every family in Red Deer. Each of these areas provides excellent amenities, schools, and recreational opportunities, making them perfect for families looking to build a life in this growing city. Why Red Deer is ideal for families. Red Deer stands out as a perfect place for families due to its balance of small-town charm and city-like amenities. With a variety of schools, affordable housing options, and ample recreational activities, it offers a high quality of life. Furthermore, Red Deer is known for its accessible outdoor spaces, from nature reserves to expansive parks, making it an excellent place to raise children while staying active and connected to the environment. Transportation and commutes. While Red Deer might not have the traffic or rush hours of larger cities, proximity to major roads like Highway 2 makes commuting straightforward for working parents. Living in neighborhoods like Westlake, which borders the highway, offers easy access to nearby towns or even larger cities like Calgary or Edmonton. This means more time spent with family and less time stuck in traffic. Community and safety. Each of the neighborhoods mentioned, Timberstone, Clearview Ridge, Vanier East, Laredo, Westlake, Lancaster, and Southbrook, have a strong sense of community. The abundance of parks, playgrounds, and local events create opportunities for families to connect with neighbors, which in turn fosters a feeling of safety and belonging. These areas are full of young families, meaning your kids will likely make friends quickly, and you'll find a support system among fellow parents. Future growth and investment. The areas highlighted also promise good investment potential. Red Deer is continuously growing, and many of these neighborhoods, especially those with newer homes like Laredo and Southbrook, are poised to increase in value. If you're planning for long-term family growth, these neighborhoods are a great choice for building equity while enjoying modern infrastructure. Choose the right community for your family. Ultimately, finding the best neighborhood comes down to what suits your family's unique needs, whether that's proximity to schools, easy access to shopping and dining, or simply a quiet, safe area to raise your children. With Red Deer's diverse selection of family-friendly neighborhoods, there's something here for everyone. Are you ready to make Red Deer your new home? Whether you're drawn to the lush parks of Westlake, the school-rich environment of Lancaster, or the peaceful corners of Vanier East and Laredo, the perfect neighborhood awaits. If this guide helped you narrow down your choices or piqued your interest in living in Red Deer, be sure to drop a comment below with your thoughts.